Hi, in this practice we are going to see the configuration in Modbus Poll for the PowerFlex 4 using Modbus RTU. The PowerFlex 4 is a frequency driver (PDF). This device is used to control the speed of electric motors in alternate current (AC) in industrial and commercial applications. The purpose of this practice is to be able to control the speed of a motor manually by using of Modbus RTU. In the following diagram, we can see the physical connection of the PDF with a motor. It is connected by means of the three-phase voltage RST and has its output in the motor by means of UVW. In this diagram, we have indicated the elements that comprise the keypad. We can see that there are four menu modes: D, display group; P, basic programming group; A, advanced programming group; and F, fault designator. The number of the diagram indicates 1. Run direction status; 2. Alphanumeric display; 3. Displayed units; 4. Program status; 5. Fault status; 6. Pod status; and 7. Start key status. To activate the manual move, we need to go to the following menu groups, specifically to the following registers: PO36 and PO38. In both registers, we select the option 0. In register O36 is to activate the keypad for manual control, and in the register O38 is drive port, POT, internal frequency command for the potentiometer of the integral keypad. As we can see already in the practice, we have the PDF previously connected and all ready to work. Here we make the selection of the corresponding options in the register mentioned, PO38 and PO36. Once the keypad and the potentiometer of the manual control of the motor frequency are activated, we proceed to vary the frequency from 0 to 15 Hz. We observe that the motor does not go from the state of rest up to the frequency indicated by the potentiometer. The motor takes a response time to reach this frequency. It passes the same when you want to slow down or stop the motor, as you can see in the video. Below, we will see the configuration of the Modbus Poll program to be able to vary the frequency of the motor using R2U. As a first step, we physically connect the USB RS485 with the Ethernet cable of the data cables, the minus and the plus respectively, and check the COM port where the USB is detected. Once, with this data we pass to the Modbus Poll. Here we configure the COM port on which is the RS485, the number of values 19.2, non-parity, and is communicated by R2U. Next, we set the slave part, its ID to 111, function number 6, simple write register, quantity 1, address 8192, apply. We create another slave communication tab, set everything the same except the address. Add an address above 91, 81, 93. In the first tab, we'll send a value of 1 and 2 to stop and start the PDF, and in the second tab, we will send a value in decimal of the desired frequency between 0 to 200. This comes from the 16-bit concatenation of the 8192 address. Now we move to the configuration of the register 8103, 8104, 8107, PO36 and PO38. PO36 and PO38 are set to the option 5 common port for the frequency sent via the communication port. The 8103 register sets the value number for 19.2 is option 4. The 8104 register is the PDF ID, which can be set between 1 and 247. In this case, it's named as 111. And finally, the A107 register sets to the RR2 with 8 bits, no match, with option 0. Already with this old register configured, we send a 2 from the first tab to start the PDF and send different values between 0, 100 to 200 to move the motor. Similar here, we said that the motor has the same curve to reach the set frequencies. At the end, we send at 1 to stop the system. That's all for this practice. See you in the following videos.